Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Maggie's DIY, and this video will show you how to make a shaggy rag without having the mat mesh. So the mat mesh looks like this, but not everybody has been able to find this near them. So the alternative is to make use of, as I showed you in the first video, having to crochet your own base. And in this video I will show you how you can make use of a sack. Now the sack comes very cheap. Sometimes you get it when you buy sugar or flour or rice in bulks. But sometimes you may have to deal with these loose threads. And if you make use of this without binding this, then you will have trouble. The first thing you need to do is make sure that these threads are not in the way, because if they are loose, then anytime you pull they can come off. So you can use this stitch. This is a back stitch, or you can use this binding stitch. So if you want to know more about stitches, please check this video. It shows you how to make all different stitches. So if your threads are very loose and you need to trim them, you do that first. So allow me to trim this. So I'll trim that and then I will show you how I do my stitches. So that is much better. All you need to do is to fold this once and then you fold it again. If you want, you can even fold it thrice, so that the risk of those threads coming loose are nil. Now let's do the back stitch. So you take your needle and your thread like this. So this is how you do the back stitch. You insert your needle like that and then you pull. If you want, you can tie this or leave it as it is. And then you go back to that hole, you insert your needle and then you skip this one, and so again you go back one hole. So I hope you can see how that stitch is coming. So I just insert, let me show you from behind. So you continue with that until all this is sealed all the way around. So I will show you the other stitch. So we had this one. This one looks nice too. I am using contrasting colors so that you can see what is happening. Assuming that this end had loose threads, so you fold twice or thrice, and then you take your needle like this. Let me cut my thread. You insert your needle here and you pull. Sorry. So insert like that, then you pull. I will want to tie this. Maybe just once is okay. And then I will insert here again. Let me cut this loose one. So I will insert this, and then instead of pulling it all the way, make sure that this loose thread, I flip it like that. You see that? So I will insert here, and before I pull it all the way out, I will make sure that I have this thread. I loop it there like that. So again, if you want to see how you can make this stitch, please check this video. It shows you how to do all these stitches. So you continue like this. So at the end of the day, you have bound all your loose threads and nothing is going to come loose. So once you're done with the hemming, so that you do not have any loose threads, it's time that you make your shaggy mat with your sack material. So this is how it looks like on the other side. So if you had your mat mesh, this is the underside, this is how it looks like, and this is the good side. So this is the underside and this is the upside. So I want to show you how you make a shaggy mat using this. So you take your crochet. In this case, you will definitely need to cut your small pieces. So I will take my contrasting thread, I will tie it severally and then I will cut so that I have my small pieces. Here they are, and then I will take one at a time. So I hope you can see what I am doing. So you take your crochet and then you can insert it anywhere. So I will just insert, maybe take 2 strands at once. So you fold this, so this is your one piece, you fold it like that, then you hook it like that, and then this latch closes by itself once you start pulling. So you pull it, and I always make sure to pull one end completely out, and then I will tie this. It is important that when you're using the sack material, make sure that you tie it twice. So there is the one piece. And you repeat the process. You take your crochet and your pieces, take your piece, fold it like that, insert it close by, pick a few strands, hook like that, pull one end all the way out, and you tie twice. So you repeat this process until you're done. Now, in case some of the threads are longer than the others, like this one, all you need to do is take your scissors and you trim. And then you can fill all your material with one color if you want. If you want a pattern, you can just take your pen and maybe you want a pattern like that one. And this area I'm shading here, maybe you want a different color. Maybe red, maybe black. So you just draw your patterns and then you use that process I showed you to make sure that you make your shaggy mats. Sacks come very, very, very cheap, and it is less work compared to having to crochet this base first. So those are the two different options you can make use of to make a shaggy rag. You can use this crochet or you can use a sack instead of using your mat mesh. So thanks a lot for watching. Kindly forward this video to those who are looking for mat mesh. Let them watch this and know that they can make the shaggy rags without having the mat mesh. Please subscribe. Subscription is free. Just tap on the button below and you're subscribed, and then you'll get the notifications for all the new videos. Thank you and see you soon.